Okay, David, are you ready to cook dinner? Today we are making a simple pasta with tomato sauce and a fresh salad.
I am ready, Elena, but I am not a good cook. I usually just order pizza. What is the first step?
Don't worry. First, we need to prep the vegetables. Can you wash the tomatoes and the bell pepper?
Yes, I am washing them now. Should I cut them?
Yes. First, dice the onion into small squares. Then slice the bell pepper into long, thin pieces. Use the large chef's knife and the wooden cutting board.
Okay, I am dicing the onion. My eyes are watering. Now, what about the garlic?
For the garlic, you need to peel it first. Remove the skin, then mince it into very tiny pieces.
The vegetables are ready. What do we do with the stove?
Take a large pan and put it on the stove. Turn the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
The oil is hot. Should I add the vegetables?
Yes, add the onions and garlic first. Sauté them for 3 minutes until they are soft. Use the wooden spoon to stir them so they don't burn.
It smells great. Now, what about the pasta?
Take that big pot and fill it with water. Add a pinch of salt. We need to boil the water.
The water is boiling. I see bubbles. Should I put the spaghetti in the pot?
Yes, put the pasta in and let it cook for 10 minutes. While we wait, let's finish the sauce. Pour the crushed tomatoes into the pan with the onions.
Do we need any spices?
Yes, add a teaspoon of dried oregano and a little bit of black pepper. Now let the sauce simmer on low heat.
What is the difference between boil and simmer?
When you boil, the water is very hot with big bubbles. When you simmer, the heat is low and the bubbles are very small. It makes the sauce delicious.
The timer is ringing. The pasta is finished.
Perfect. Use the colander to drain the water in the sink. Be careful, the steam is very hot.
Okay, the pasta is dry. Now I am mixing the pasta and the sauce together in the big bowl.
Great job, David. Now just grate some Parmesan cheese on top and add a few basil leaves.
Wow, I made a real meal. It looks better than the pizza I usually order.
You see, following a recipe is easy when you know the words. Now let's eat.
Doors, your key to English without limits.